Okay, so this is how to download journal from consensus. So when you get to consensus, make sure you register on consensus, then you locate paper search, and then you type the title of the journals that you want to download. For me, I want to download journals on digital customer experience. Yeah, so here comes the journals. So one thing you need to take note of is this, whenever you see this PDF sign here, so it's an indication that that is a journal that is downloadable, right? So and when you see that it is unlocked, when you see that it is unlocked, it's also an indication that the journal is downloadable, is actually unlocked. So that is an indication that the journal is downloadable. So these are journals, these are downloadable journals, these are downloadable journals, these are downloadable journals. So you can load for more results right here, more results right here, more results right here, right? So okay, so let's download this journal. Revolutionary customer experience innovated. This is what I want. So you click on it, so it has already downloaded, and the normal practice is to see that you okay. Digital customer experience. Right, so I have this here. Yeah, I need it to open. I need to drop it this here. Right, so let's download the next one. Okay, this particular guy is not showing PDF like this. It's not showing PDF like this, so it may not be downloadable. But then let's open it in a new tab. So you click on this. This is loading. So this particular journal is not downloadable because right here we did not have the PDF. You see, we didn't have the PDF as it is here. It's not here as it is here. So this is not downloadable, and that is why look at this. This is not downloadable, and that is why we are having the same journal not downloadable. Everything about the journal right here is not showing, so this shows that it's a paid journal. Subsequently, we'll be looking at how to download such journal, how to steal it from the internet. Okay, so while we wait for this one to load, then we check out for the second one. So loading. Okay, so now let's look at another platform, which is Research Rabbit. Yep. Okay, so this is it. Okay, so when you get to Research Rabbit, so you just go straight down to search, and it says you should you type whatever it is that you want to search about. So, and yeah, so let me quickly fetch for what we need to search. Okay, so let's say we want to search for customer concept of, then you press search. All right, so okay, if you look at this, then you click this. So you click this, you can see this out. You can see PDF. PDF is the sign that no shall I buy? Okay, so you click on this PDF, let it to load, so it's already downloaded. Alright, so I go straight to my journal, and I'll just click both of them, put them right here. Okay, or another steps that you could do is to okay, so you look for another one, the first is the analysis customer experience procedure. The event is going from performance review. So here comes another one. Even though it's not a recent journal, but photo digitalization customer this one is saying incomplete data. So not downloadable. Okay, I think I'll go for this one. Not downloadable because we are not seeing PDF here. That day. Let me take the time. As you can see, we can't find PDF here. Nothing is here. Unlike this one, here we have PDF here. Here we have PDF here. And let's check this. The PDF. Let's check this. Now, yeah, this is a good one. You can see this is an indication that this is downloadable. And click your PDF to download, and you wait for it to load. Okay, so then click download, and you click download, you go straight down to this place, and you have it saved. And also change the name for easy identification. Okay, you can click on next because see how more. Okay, you have here. So it should be downloaded. It is not. Okay, so we have this one here. Downloadable. Let's see, PDF. So you just hit download. You can copy this. Okay. When you save.